traders, this is a very short video just to talk to you about what's coming up in the back end of this year and into next. Trade the Easy Way is going to step up a gear and offer members a lot more support in terms of some of the key, finding the key price levels in these markets. We've done a lot of work through the sort of final quarter of 2012 on pivots. We're going to do a lot more work on that and try and help all our members really get into these bigger moves and to buy the lows and sell the highs. Okay, the big pivot in the Dow that you're looking at the moment is 13,300, and the reason why that's such a big pivot will become obvious on Sunday, when we will be having a big session on the big picture, outlining the some of the courses and the work we're going to be doing through 2013 and how we are going to help you become consistent traders by looking at studying the key pivot levels. Okay, so yeah, I'm staying flat at the moment, just staying away from the screens, making the most of the break. However, there are some good 60-minute charts, and this 60-minute Dow, you sometimes get this when there's a lot fewer traders around. You sometimes get these very nice clean moves. We came down to S3 and we are busting right up through S1 at the moment. So the last couple of hours of trading in the Dow has been very good. The oil has been very similar. Oil came down to the daily pivot. This is a major support level down there at 90.40. We didn't quite do 100 points. We got very close to 100 points once we had confirmed the move off of that pivot. And the pound has been suffering, but it has held the key level. That S2 was the 50 MA on the daily there. So all these pivot levels, and there are 6 in total, 6 pivots I use. I'm going to start to reveal some of those pivots in the early part of 2013, but we're starting on Sunday on the big picture project on Sunday. If you want to have a full no holds barred open book on what all these pivots are and how I trade them, then you'll need to come on my mentorship or my advanced course. More details on that as we get into 2013. But anybody who is a full member or Trade the Easy Way will have my support through back into this year and into next, as we start to reveal these pivots and start to have a much greater focus on them. Okay, so I will be doing a full announcement on Sunday once my software is up and running, which the website I use is currently crashed. Hope that will be resolved tomorrow. So the final detail of that Sunday event will be published and the booking forms will be released tomorrow. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your break and hope to see you on Sunday.